Getting very close. Oh my god. What are they doing? They're still hanging out by our left-hand side, guys. Looks like they're looking at us. Maybe our whales are doing people watching instead of whale watching. And there's our second one coming up close to the front of the boat on our left-hand side. There's that beautiful pectoral fins. Remember, these guys have the longest and largest wingspan out of any mammal in the entire world. Looks like one of those crossed over or under our bow towards the right-hand side. We have them side by side on our right-hand side. Ember folks, watch your step when you're walking across the boat. Getting some beautiful looks at our humpback whales today.